Gujarat Governor Kamla Beniwal's move to return the Gujarat Lok Ayukt Bill 2013 passed by the State Assembly in April this year has set the stage for a fresh round of confrontation between the Chief Minister and her. In fact, Times Now has accessed the crucial letter written by Kamla Beniwal to the Chief Minister after she returned the bill.
महामहिम राज्यपाल का सवाल है, जो प्रावधान अपने संविधान के तहत तय किए गए हैं, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि जब राज्य विधानसभा कोई विधेयक पसार कर देती है तो उसे महामहिम राज्यपाल की सम्मति मिल ही जानी चाहिए। महामहिम राज्यपाल ये जो विधेयक है उसको उनको अगर कोई मुद्दे लगे कि पुनः विचारणा के लिए जरूरी है तो अपने अवलोकनों के साथ ये जो विधेयक है वो राज्य सरकार को वापस भेज सकती है पुनः विचारणा के लिए, और उसके बाद राज्य सरकार अगर चाहे तो उसको असेंबली में फिर से रख के पुनः विचारणा के साथ या तो वो मुद्दों का स्वीकार करके या अस्वीकार करके पारित कर सकती है।
आदरणीय माननीय गवर्नर साहब ने कुछ किया होगा तो कुछ सोच समझ के ही किया होगा, क्योंकि एक ही खेल के दो नियम नहीं हो सकते हैं कि केंद्र सरकार पे तो हर शक्ति लागू हो, हर चीज लागू हो, प्रधानमंत्री हर दायरे में आए और मुख्यमंत्री पे सब कुछ मुख्यमंत्री पे छोड़ दिया है। मुख्यमंत्री चाहे मतलब जो मन में आए सो करे, ये नहीं हो सकता।
गवर्नर कर रहे हैं कि एजेंट के रूप में काम कर रहे हैं गवर्नर?
इसको गलत, एकदम गलत बात है।
Well, Abhishek is reporting on the story. Abhishek, the battle lines have been clearly drawn in this case for some time now. Now, what are the crucial points that the governor makes in that letter after she returned the bill?
Well, you see, the governor has objected to essentially a couple of points in the bill. One, and the primary objection is that the selection panel that is going to appoint the Lok Ayukt under the new law is dominated by the ruling party led by the Chief Minister. And the governor believes that since it is their actions that would be reviewed by the Lok Ayukt, it is not proper that they have overwhelming authority over the appointment of the Lok Ayukt. In that sense, the governor believes that in many ways it belittles the significance of the Chief Justice of the High Court in the process of appointment of Lok Ayukt itself. So the governor finds that to be a little flawed. Then the governor says that because it's a multi-member Lok Ayukt body, it has provision for 2 administrative and 2 judicial members, and the governor believes that there should be only judicial members and not administrative members, because then the judicial supremacy is not there. Then more importantly, the governor says that the way the whole Lok Ayukt, multi-member Lok Ayukt body is to be appointed under the new law, it would reduce the office of the Lok Ayukt into a caged parrot. So in a way, this charge that Supreme Court had made against the CBI now being brought in by the governor of Gujarat so far as the proposed Lok Ayukt bill is concerned. And also, for example, the governor in point 6 in this letter mentions that there is a provision under the new law to punish the complainant if the complaint is found to be false. So the governor believes that amounts to threatening the complainant or discouraging the complaints, which should not be the case. So the governor suggests that clause should be removed. So these are some of the points that have been raised by the governor in the 7-page letter that has been released through an anonymous source through the media. And it would be interesting to see how the Modi government responds. But what we are hearing from the Modi camp is that they believe that the elected representatives represent essentially the will of the people, and that is why they should have a majority say in the appointment of the Lok Ayukt.